Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are first time watching my channel, remember to click the subscribe button and also the notification bell beside the subscribe button so that you will be notified each time I upload a new video, and remember to give me a thumbs up of my video if you like my video content. Yeah, okay, as you guys can see, today I got another unboxing. Yeah, and if you guys see from the heading, you can see that today I'm going to unbox this pair of new sneaker from my purchase. Yeah, and you guys can see today I show you. If you notice that now this Celine bag is a bit different. It's in gold color. The logo is also in gold. Yeah, so as this is the new packaging for their festive season, Christmas packaging. Yeah, I think it's nice. Yeah, usually remember if you watch my video, Celine is normally black in color. The logo, the ribbon also black. But this time round, this one they are using gold in color, which I think is quite nice. Yeah, for this festive season. So if you get something for yourself during Christmas, so you can get this new packaging from them to celebrate this festive season. Okay, without further ado, are you guys excited to see what I got for my Christmas gift for myself? Yeah, okay, let's unbox together now. Okay, let me get this out and put it. Okay, as you guys can see, this one is the box. You can see it's a sneaker. Yeah, so this is like they're using the old box lah. Yeah, so it's not because I don't think they will have, because this shoe I don't think they will do a Christmas box for this packaging. So it's standard, it's quite nice. This is like standard white with the black logo Celine Paris here. Yeah, so this is the box. Okay, so now let me show you what I got. Are you guys excited? Okay, can you guys guess what sneaker did I got it? Okay, so it's very nicely put in this. There is also the so-called the paper stuffing. Yeah, okay, so this is how the shoe look like. It comes with, I think, 2 dust bag, and I mentioned before I like the dust bag very much because the quality is very good. So it's the black dust bag with the logo Celine Paris. So okay, what is this? Let me see. Oh, this is just another extra pair of shoelace. Oh, that's very nice. But because most of the designers, they will give you extra pair of shoelace lah. So this one extra pair of shoelace. So let me show you what I got. Are you guys excited? So some of the dust bag, they will give one. They'll put both in one, or some is for Celine. This is the first time I purchased their sneaker, so it's 2 separate dust bag. You guys can see the dust bag is very nice. It's black and with the so-called like wood grain material, and it's quite thick, and we printed Celine Paris here. Behind there's nothing, so on one side. So what did I got? Are you guys nice? This is a sneaker from Celine. Yeah, so with this is the so-called the Trump logo. So, and also yeah, this is a bit beige. To me, this is quite nice because it's in beige in color. Yeah, so seldom there is logo that's in beige color, so-called like cream beige color. Yeah, so the lace is white, and this is the full calf leather. Yeah, so okay, so later I'll show you all nearer. So yeah, so you guys, the sole you guys can see is new because today first time unboxing to show you guys. So I have yet to worn this shoe. Yeah. So let me show you nearer. So you guys can see clearly, but it's just a very simple pair of Celine sneaker. But to me, this design is like it's also quite lasting because it's quite simple and easy to match. Yeah, so maybe I should show you all nearer. So this is on the left hand, actually it's the same. So you guys can see, so there is the whole sneaker is in leather, in white. It's only this part, the tram. Yeah, this is the so-called the tram of the Paris, which is Celine. And also on the back there's a link here printed on the leather, but you can't really see, so it's a quite low profile shoe. If you know this shoe, you will know it. If not, you won't know it's Celine. So yeah, so this is on the other side. Yeah, and on the tongue, there is printed Celine here, you guys can see, gold in color, Celine Paris. Yes, and written, can't really see what is that. Yeah, the wording. Yeah. So actually there is one, I'm not too sure what is this. There is so-called, this is embossed on it, TR011. I'm not sure what is this. I'm not sure is it the model number or what. If you guys know, you can let me know. Yeah. So both pair they also printed here, embossed on it. Yeah, so this is the other side, so you guys can see. Yeah, okay, so below is just white in color, written Celine Paris, made in Italy. So this sneaker is made in Italy. Yeah, so it's quite soft. I try it on, I quite like it, and I think their cutting for their sneaker is pretty big, or maybe this material, because usually I wear 45, but this one I remember I got at 44, size 44, but I'm still able to fit it in. Yeah, so how you guys like this pair of sneaker? To me it's quite simple and easy to match. Yeah, hope you guys like my today unboxing video, and if this video I post before or after Christmas, I wish everyone a Merry Christmas. Yeah, enjoy the 12th day of Christmas and celebration, and remember to be careful during this COVID season. Yeah, okay, remember to give me a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. Yeah, thank you. Hope to see you guys again. Take care. Goodbye. Merry Christmas to you.